In 2022, Mazda didn't release this car model, and we don't know why either. However, we hope that in 2024 Mazda will re-release the Mazda 6 with a new look and performance. Therefore, we will also speculate about the 2024 Mazda 6. Although it may not meet the criteria for a strong sedan, the Mazda 6 offers exceptional value, notably in its design. It has a stylish and modern design, as well as a thin and powerful body, making it one of the recommended sedans for a low price. The front end of this automobile features Mazda's hallmark, and the backside has a contemporary style. Despite its low price, the 2024 Mazda 6 delivers excellence. Yet, we anticipate that the 2024 Mazda 6 will outperform the 2021 Mazda 6. It is predicted to produce more than 200 horsepower and power of more than 200 pound-feet of torque using a 2.5-liter engine with an inline 4-cylinder. The base grade of the 2021 Mazda 6 costs $24,475. We believe a 2024 Mazda 6 should cost between $25,000 and $27,000.